Right then, I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week, beetroot crisps. Ooh. And yes, I'm dressed like a beetroot because obviously I don't want to stain myself. Proactive. So let's get going.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
And then here we have it, the air-fried, dehydrated beetroot crisps. And all I've done is I've bought 4 or 5 beetroots, sliced them up as thinly as possible, and then just dehydrated these. And wow! Then here we have it, the beetroot crisps. These are oil and salt free, but feel free to add any kind of seasoning. Absolutely brilliant. You pay a fortune for these in the supermarket for any kind of root vegetable crisps. So really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this. Also check out my playlist for healthy snacks.